Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can remove multiple accounts on your Facebook. So as you guys can see inside my Facebook app, I have multiple accounts. I can click on any one of these and I can log in into the account. But let's say I don't want that to happen. I want to remove one of the accounts. So what I need to do is click on menu at the bottom right of the screen and then scroll all the way down and click on log out and click on log out. Because first we need to log out from an account. Once we log out from an account, it's going to show us all the account which is currently being saved on our device. So to remove one of the accounts, what we need to do is we need to click on the setting icon at the top right. Now from over here, we need to choose the account which we want to remove. Once we click on the account, it's going to show us the option called remove profile. If you click on remove profile and click on remove, then this profile which is currently being saved on my Facebook inside my phone will be removed. So that is how you guys can remove multiple accounts on your Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.